guys, this is Trader C Brand here. You're welcome to our channel. This is an update forecast of the Euro USD for week 31. Listen, if you've been following us and following this analysis weekly by weekly, and I believe that it has been helping you, some of you know that you have been catching the pips just by following our daily, weekly, especially this weekly forecast. Listen, why don't leave us a comment? Why not tell us what you have been experiencing? Why not let us know if this videos is helping you, so we can know what to do to add more to it, maybe add more more pairs to it, add more updates, weekly update to it, middle week updates, and all of that. Let us know. We need to serve you guys. You know what? We want to help the community, the whole community of the forex market. We want to help those who are new to the market to learn how to trade with ease. Yep, we want to help people to learn how to trade with ease. All right. Yeah. That's what we'll do. So first of all, this is Euro USD. And if you have not watched the one I did on GBP USD, which is my favorite pair, guys, this is my favorite pair. Go and watch the video. But listen, watch this first, and then you go watch that. All right. So you can understand if you trade these two pairs, because these are the two pairs I'm majorly looking at when I'm looking at the market. And I hope you will be able to see what I'm going to be talking about today on week 31. Now, Euro USD. The market looks similar to GBP USD as I'm looking at the screen right now, but there's a slight difference, and I want to talk about it so you understand. So first of all, if you're new to this channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share this video to those who want to learn how to trade, and then tell them to learn. All right. And also now I'm coming with more updates, more videos that will help you to learn my strategy. Some of you wanted to know how I trade and how I look at the market. So what? I'm going to help you with some videos coming in soon. Watch out. Every week, we're going to be coming with new videos that will help you to learn about trading our strategy. And also, we're going to be talking about the psychological aspect of the trading section. And also, we're going to be talking about the risk management section. We're going to be talking about, you know what we're going to talk about next, right? All right. How to the market. All right, we're going to talk about all of that. But guess what? There's so much information waiting for you. If you're new to trading, this is the channel you want to stay on. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share the link, and also follow the description, the information in the description below of this video. All right, go check the information. Very helpful, right? Very helpful. Okay, let's go. First of all, we are looking at the weekly range right here. I'm looking at the daily range. Sorry, I'm looking at the daily range right here. I could see the daily range market break, come to high, rejected and drop, come out low, rejected, and it's going up. Now you can see what the market did here. It put back up a little bit here and then smash all the way down. That is a hunt right there. That is a hunt, liquidity grab. But still, that's not a big deal because that was news. But what are we looking at here is something that the market did at this level. I want to pay attention to this level here. What did the market do? You see, you want to look at that price action right there, okay? But the only way we can zoom into that price action is to look at the 4-hour time frame. So first, this is, for me, this is my daily range. Of course, you might consider this as your daily range all the way to this zone, and we still expect price to come to this low. But you see, I see that the market generally, okay, is looking very bullish. So for me, I'm considering this as a range starter, all right here. So if the market go below that, I know it's going to head all the way to this level, to this low. But I will be using that as a target for my first sell if it happens on the Euro USD, looking at the 4-hour time frame in a minute. So let me look at the 4-hour time frame right now. I think that's fine. Let's do that. Now on the 4-hour time frame, I can see the 4-hour time frame range is very clear. Right here, we see the 4-hour time frame range is looking like this right here. So beautiful. So the question is, how do I consider my bias for the week? Already, if you are looking at the weekly bias, first of all, this was a previous week that sold massively. And no, this is the week 30, all right? This is week 30 that sold, and then it bought a little bit and then dropped again. Now you were thinking, why would the market do that? Why will it just sell and buy and drop again? Well, you want to understand structure. First of all, what did the market do? We saw price retracing from this push up, this massive push up that happened, structure break, massive push up, market retrace all the way into that zone. All right. But the reality is we saw a pullback right here. So the market feel the imbalance of this market has been filled, and then we see a pullback, but it failed to break any structure. Which one? Well, this was supposed to be a minor structure, which obviously it tapped into it and it dropped. So now it's looking better. I think it's looking better right now because what we just saw is a breakout structure to the lower side. So we can see that there is a breakout structure to the lower side. All right. And then we want to see that price either push up to this level and drop, or it start dropping from there, break this low, then we'll look for more sell. But before we think about that, I want you to think on the daily for a moment. We are bullish on the daily. Remember that. Just like GU, what we did on GDP USD is similar right now. They are looking very similar. So there is still indecision on Euro USD right now because we want the 4 hour to align with what? With the daily, for us to know that we are now in agreement with the bias, and then we can start taking trades on a lower time frame. You get it? So the major time frame you want to focus on the daily and the 4 hour to see that they agree. If they don't agree, you're not trading until they agree. You want to understand. Listen, you want to understand that they agree, especially those of you that swing trade, that day trade. You want to understand that. Very important. So let's look at this. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, we see the range right here. So if I want to change that 4 hour time frame range color to something like that, that's a bit better. So you understand the difference. So that's the daily. This is the 4 hour. So this one also matches with the 4 hour range. And we're looking at this price angle here, this price tag right here. What is price doing at this level? So I want to see the price break above to look for more buys, or price give me a double bottom and I'll buy, just like we saw on GU, or price break this low, and then if it breaks, I'm going to look for. So price action now is very important. You want to be conscious of what the market is doing if it eventually comes this low. If it comes here, you want to see price action at this key level. Is it rejecting or is it blasting through? So you want to see that the price want to reject, create that double bottom there. You want to see a double bottom pattern. If it does, then you're looking for a buy. At that moment, you get in on the lower time frame and you target this previous range high. And that will give you your first trade for the week, bro. If you were to take that trade, that will give you 180 pips. That is enough for you to take home for the week. But you know what? Let's not just conclude yet that that's going to be exactly what we're expecting, but let's see what it does alternatively. Alternatively, I'm thinking that the market might blast through, sell again, break that structure, then I'll look for more sales. But the question is, where will I target? First, where will I look into that the market is going to drop all the way to? First of all, I will be targeting this low because this is the previous lowest low that the market created before it started going up. So I will take that zone as a very important area for price action to get to, for me to say, okay, here we go. That will be my target for sale. Now, the question is, will he ever get there? Now, the market will not just come all the way straight down. Remember that. I think I need to take that off so you understand what I mean. First, I'm waiting for price to come down, break that structure, pull back, and then another one, or probably break that structure, pull back again, and then before hitting the target. That can be a process. But what I want you to know that as long as the market is still above this key area, the zone here, we are not selling until it breaks. Now, that's number one. Number two, what if it doesn't break? What if price come like this and then begin to rally back up? Wow, opportunity to buy. And then what? We'll target this daily high where we have multiple liquidity zone right there. So that will be another beautiful trade. Now, let's look at it this way. The golden zone right now is here. Let me highlight that with red. Let me highlight. That's the golden zone right there. That zone is the golden zone. That area there is a golden zone. We want price to either reject or break through. If it rejects, we're targeting the upside. Then the momentum is going to change to the bullish bias, which we're looking at on the daily. But if it sells, then we still have conflicts with 4 hours still conflicting with the daily, because the daily is still looking very bullish. So we want to see that it's all correspond in it. But if it happens this way, we will reach to sell it. And then this will be opportunity for us to, like, you know what, target 200 to 300 pips. Wow, for the week. That is beautiful. Then another one is what? 200, 300 pips to the upside again. That's beautiful. Beautiful trade setup, ready to go on Euro USD. I think I might trade Euro USD this week. You know what? I love GU. I know it's crazy. Some people are tired of GU, but I love trading GU. But we'll look at Euro USD. Let's see what we can get out of it. So that's exactly what I'm looking at on this currency pair this week 31. Now, if you look at, like, zoom out again like I did on GU, you should say, well, GU is bullish, right? You should say, yeah, that's why we're looking at that. We want to see a double bottom here, and then we can take it up. Otherwise, if it break down, they were targeting this low. I hope you guys got my analysis clear. So if you love what you just saw, you enjoyed it, hit the comment section and tell me what you think. Very important. And also hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share this video to others who love to trade this pair, and let them learn what to expect in week 31. Guys, I believe you have it. And now let's look at, remember, is NFP week. You don't want to miss what is going on in NFP the week. A lot of market shaking, market movement. So get ready for that. So this is Friday, August 4th, and we see that the market is showing us massive reports coming in. And then on August again, Todd, massive reports coming in on GU and GBP and also USD. And also we have on Wednesday as well, on the 2nd, a little bit of trade movement. So that's when the market starts beginning to have some shake up coming in, right? Little reports coming in here and there. But we have opportunity to trade on Tuesday. A little bit PMI is coming in, not too much opportunities for trade, but we can see that the PMI is coming in. We'll be able to catch some New York and London section trade if you're able to do that. Then on Monday, which is 31st of July, we can see that Euro pair have CPI flash estimate, which is obviously a medium impact news, as you can see. So these are the things we're looking at, guys, for the week 31. So I believe you guys will enjoy it. So if you're not there in my Telegram group, listen, go to the link below on this video description. Join our Telegram group, and I'll see you all there. Especially those of you who want a promo on my course, get in there. You can get a promo to get into my course, and that will change your trading. I tell you, the board, it will change your trading. All right, guys. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.